Bro, you're not using the aerator. That can be your
I
cup.
got ahead of myself. It's Pisces season, bitches. Pisces season.
What does that do with anything? Pour the wine. Put the fries in the bag. Oh, 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 gotcha.
Ever since he's gotten older, he's become more nosy and just more like center of attention.
He's more needy now.
Yeah, he's way more needy now. He was never that needy before.
Alright, we're doing a little paint and sip night.
We did this like, I think when we first started dating, we did this.
Yeah, his sister invited us to one when pretty early in our relationship.
Very early, yeah.
And oh my god, it's so funny. I remember, okay.
What?
So we were pretty fresh in our relationship, so this was at a stage in my life where I didn't know how to communicate properly. So I had plans that night to go to a concert with my friend Janet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And so when they invited me to this, I was like, oh, I can't say no. Like, I just felt like I couldn't say no, or at least tell them like I could, but I'd have to leave by this time. So I was rushing. I was like, okay, is it over? Like, is it over? Like, I remember thinking mentally, like, I need to leave. And then I remember feeling very rude when I left as well. We had to throw it out because the apartment, one of our mini apartments we had got bed bugs in the building. And so when we moved out of that one to like a different apartment, we just got rid of like everything.
That was a nightmarish time.
Yeah. I've always wanted to do a Bob Ross painting.
If you didn't know, Bob Ross is related to her dad.
No. But if you look at my dad's high school photo, it's giving Bob Ross's lost nephew.
100% is.
Yeah, it's so funny. Anyway, this is our little setup. Here is the paid actor. Called him on, where did I find you?
Central Casting.
Right. These were the only canvases I had still in our junk area from when I was decluttering. So we're gonna use these. We're gonna make it work.
We always make it work.
We got a ton more paint because all the other paint I had dried up.
You had that for years.
I know.
Before we met, huh?
Okay, relax.
Giant rat.
I just so love you. I love you, my stinky baby. I should paint Max's nails.
The goat.
Jenna Marbles.
That name sounds so familiar.
I used to watch her in high school. When I was in high school, she's older. This is the YouTube goat right here. Holy shit. We also have the cheapest of the cheap paint, so this is like the preschool version of Bob Ross.
Okay, this one. Winter Frost. Are you cool with it?
You want me to do Winter Frost? I don't want something that's gonna make me feel cold. And he does it with one brush. We're fucking
Really?
amateurs. I mean, that's what it looks like.
I thought today we'd do a painting.
That is my dad.
It just has a lot of color and one to make you feel good inside. So let's start out and have run all the
It's gonna make
colors
you
across
feel
the
real
screen.
good inside. What colors does he have? Green, red, black.
Oh, it says
What?
titanium white.
Girl, don't piss me off. Is it midnight blue?
This is navy blue.
That's close enough. What else? Dark sienna. What the heck is sienna?
Blue and green together makes...
Teal.
No.
They're not only blue is a primary color. Green's not.
Oh,
There's
so
red and
you-
there's bright red.
You mix primary colors to turn into another color?
Yeah.
What's blue and yellow?
Green. Why are you acting like I'm fucking
You got it.
great? Bitch, I know. I know the color wheel.
I don't. Wait, okay, hold on. Red and green.
Green's not a primary
Fuck.
color.
Oh, yeah. Red and blue.
Why
Purple.
are you questioning me or are you asking for yourself?
Both.
Purple. I made us a little snack to enjoy with our wine. A little salami. This is my dinner.
Me too. Welcome back.
Hello, all you cool cats and
I know.
kittens.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
Just sort of painted in a little scene here.
Okay, look. This is our little palette we're working
I
with.
just took
1.
If this is your first time with us, allow me to extend a personal invitation for you to get your brushes and your paints and paint along with us each show. And if you've been with us before, please allow me to thank you for inviting us back for another series of painting shows. Unorthodox
Bob. Show
brushes
us how
in
it's
each
done.
show. Tap the bristles firmly to assure a nice even distribution of paint all the way through the bristles. And let's go right up here. And we'll take this little brush and just making little X's, little crisscross, little warm part in the sky here. Maybe we'll have a little pink in the sky. I sort of like that. And in our world, we can do anything that we want to do here. Any old thing.
Oh, why is it like a pink color?
There. Doesn't take too long when you're using a brush that's 2 inches wide. Oh, little phthalo blue. I like phthalo blue. It's a
Probably
very
because we're
warm
not using
blue.
the right
Very
brush.
nice.
Alright, a little blue.
Once again, just
Using
tap a little
like
color
the
into it. And let's go back
Let
up
me
here.
use on a
And still using our little crisscross strokes. X's. That's all they are, little X's. We'll just apply a little bit of the phthalo blue.
Okay, wait, he's going
Something
back.
about like so.
God, he does go fast.
And we'll come back after we clean the brush and blend that together. Now the blue is many, many times stronger than this little pink area. It'll just eat it up, so be careful. Be careful. All go away.
I fear we're not using
You
the
want
right
to make the
brush.
indication of a happy little cloud? All you
My
do is
brush
just
strokes are showing.
little straight.
Mine too.
It just lives right there in the brush. And that easy. We'll blend him out. Have a
Okay,
little
hold on.
straighter
I need you to
cloud.
position.
Let's see, what we have that on there?
He's making moves too quickly for me. You did blue? Are you ready blue deep or no?
Well, I mean, yeah.
Okay. I'm just wondering.
Max is just staring at me.
I have to just get okay with the idea that like
It's
the
not gonna
colors.
Yeah.
I
just
cannot.
go like, just do like a general like
feels
skeleton
so-
of what he does.
It feels so accelerated. Like
He goes fast.
I know. Hold on. I need more like a sky blue. This is like a lake blue. Okay.
What?
They catch up. I need to make this not look like shit. X is my ass. X ain't doing shit for me. It's not.
How did he get the colors to blend into the
That's what I'm
tubes so well?
saying. I
Like
don't-
they blend so well.
It's like airbrushed on
Yeah.
his end.
It's crazy.
He is using oils. We're not. We're
Mm.
using like I'm pretty sure this is like a water-based paint.
That makes sense actually. Alright.
Have that on there? Let's have some water in this painting. I love water. And it's very easy to paint in this style. Still water is always level. And I think today we'll have still water. So pour from the outside in. Outside in. Something about like so. We'll put a little down here too. I'm just putting a little Prussian blue in each corner to darken it. And just beat the devil out of it. That's really the most fun part of it. Now,
Beat the
clean
devil
brush
out of it.
and this relic. That's all there is
Damn,
to it.
dude.
Okay, and down here we'll just do
Fuck did he do? It looks like ripples in the water already.
Yeah, this shit's wild.
that anybody can put a little masterpiece on canvas with just a little bit of
Anybody.
practice, a vision in your
He's not
mind,
met us.
and off you go. All right. Just fun. Just take the corner of the brush and just pull down. Something about like so. Create any illusion that you want. There. But I'm
Maybe
gonna
the illusion
do
of
black
exactly
so it
looks
looks like mist. You can even take another 2-inch brush.
We're not using the right brushes, but
It'll help create that illusion of mist right down at the bottom. And sometimes
I think the water-based paint was not the move. I think it's like not.
100% it wasn't.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay.
Turns out to be your very best friend. Take care of it. Treasure it.
Take care of it, babe. Treasure it.
Let's have some more fun.
Fucking trees. Wait, what did he do?
Black.
Exactly what it
That's
should
not black.
be. Don't put
Is that black?
you see detail.
Or is that like dark blue?
I went with black.
Shade the foreground.
What's going on?
Create that illusion of distance and depth.
Bro, I'm the second coming of fucking Picasso over here.
Very important.
We're trying to do trees. How the fuck did he do that mist? How did he do that? He made it look so easy.
I did that.
He made it look so easy. He made it look like it was I don't even know.
Look,
I don't think
mine
we're
looks
cut out
just
for
like
this.
that.
Okay.
Wavy detail to the foreground. The lack of detail helps also create that illusion of distance and depth in your head. You know, when as a traditional painter, one of the hardest things to make effectively was reflections. Watch how easy. I'll take some of that same color. We'll take a 2-inch brush, touch, and pull down.
Wait.
Just pull straight down. It's most important that it goes straight down.
Wow.
Here's something that's fun. You take a little. I just use
I did it.
You did it.
I got a reflection.
I'm proud of you.
Damn, this is more difficult than I thought.
I will say we are using like the half-ass tools, so maybe that's why.
So you think if we got oil paint, it would look way different?
And we had the right brush. Mama,
This
he's
is
on
what
crazy
Z's.
sport
The
mode,
letter
dude.
Z. She called them Z trees.
I need you to slow down
That's
for
as
me,
good as
Mr.
the
Ross.
analogy as any. From the center out. The center of the tree
Mr.
should be
Ross,
the
I have a
thickest, darkest,
question.
strongest.
Dude,
Leaves
how?
on the back. All right, this little tree here. He's saying, don't leave me out. I need some too.
No, but I'm gonna leave you out.
Here we are.
This is insane.
This doesn't make any sense to me.
Damn, it looks so good though. How does he do this? Just remember, everyone. Abstract. Abstract. Right, Max?
That looks like a little island. Let's put some dirt there. Let's take some
Yeah, it
white,
does look like a little
dark
island.
sienna.
Looks pretty.
Mix them together. Cut off a little roll of paint.
Okay, Bob.
I know. Now he's trying to show us up.
I know.
Something to do on the other side now. Let's have some fun.
Let's have
Let's
some
have-
fun.
You know, if you painted with me before, I like old big trees.
Like a big tree.
This is your bravery test.
Oh.
Take the corner of the old 2-inch brush, and let's just begin laying in a basic shape here.
Don't piss me off.
Where it goes, how
Jeez,
tall is it,
Simon.
how short is it, it's fat, skinny, in between. It's your world.
I don't have this brush.
And in your world, you make all the decisions.
In my world,
All the
I don't
decisions.
make them.
Do you feel like do you feel like you're a little bit of a perfectionist with stuff?
Just
Yeah,
the
but
corner.
this
Think
is
about
like, you
shape,
can't even be a
form,
perfectionist. You can't afford to be one in this scenario.
Yeah, yeah.
Wherever you want.
We're doing happy tree accidents. Happy tree friends.
Let's get crazy. You know me.
Ha!
Painted over
Let's
here.
get crazy.
I like big trees, and we have
How
one
big
living
do you, buddy?
in our world.
And I was gonna say I like big
Right
blur,
there.
and I can't not laugh.
I don't know if
Brush
I'm
it
gonna.
down
I can't
faster.
commit to that. This one's already struggled for me.
There we go. This is a monster tree.
Okay. I fear we're in over our heads here.
Huge tree.
A little bit.
We're trying. We really are. I feel like this is not even the Walmart version of this painting. This is like the Temu Alibaba version. So
It's almost over.
This feels like a humiliation ritual.
It's like 8 minutes left.
Okay, let's get her done. I'm not doing all the trees. There's too many damn trees.
Yeah, I kind of like it with not as many trees. You know, because you don't have to do exactly what he does.
Because we can't. That's why we don't have to.
No. It's our choice, okay?
This is a 2026 version where like we have a limited supply to trees.
Are you okay?
No. The national parks are being drilled on. So we don't have trees anymore.
Yeah.
Limited supply.
Trump
Okay.
is using the trees to fucking print his face on the
On the
passport.
passports.
Like Peapod the Pocket Squirrel, my little squirrel that lives with me. We've had him on the show. Through. See? Like that. Put a little black in it, make it a little dark. Ooh, that's nice. Now, with that,
Ooh.
I just want to come up here, up there. Just some happy little rocks. Maybe there's one.
He looks stressed out.
Something.
I almost want to
Just
see
some
how far he's
indications.
getting into this before I
They won't
commit to
come
some of
back.
this behavior because I don't know if I
With a
can.
brush.
I don't think
the bushes
there's no
with.
point.
But it looks so
And we'll
pretty.
Yeah, I mean, it does,
down into the
but-
painting. There now, see?
Looks like coral.
It
Now
does.
they become part of the painting. There are bushes and trees and happy little things that live here in our world.
In our own little world, so
Alright.
rainy over
That easy.
That
Yeah,
easy.
for you,
I
my
know.
guy, you got the flick of the wrist. Bro, I'm tired. What's next? I'm not doing all that. Y'all, you got
These
too
little
much
details
technique
will
for me.
Make
I
you
know.
look a little more finished. Take your time when you're doing these. That's all there's to it. Another
That's it.
way of making little
That's all
sticks and
there is
twigs.
to it.
Take your knife, just a plain.
It looks pretty similar in an abstract way.
And just scrape right through the paint. See? And that'll do.
God bless my friend.
Honestly, I feel like I should sign this masterpiece because anyone who is lucky enough to have this in their presence.
Let's do it. Let's do like I'll do a little signature too. You do a signature on yours and I'll do a signature on mine. Hell yeah.
I'm gonna do a little X. Oh.
Don't be too harsh. We finished some.
Keep in mind, we used water-based paint, which dries faster. So, the little happy mistakes you can make with oil paint, you can't make it with water paint.
Oh, look at it.
I had fun. That's all that matters.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun too. Yo, yours is way better.
Babe, that looks
Look at the trees. You did really good on your
No, I did
trees.
not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
Here.
Don't get too close.
Okay. Yours is way.
Yours looks cool, actually. I kind of like the sky.
Shut up.
Bullshit. Your signature is bullshit, literally. Stop getting too close.
Baby, yours looks good.
It does not. It looks horrible.
It doesn't.
If you squint your eyes a little bit, take a couple glasses of wine before looking, okay?
Okay, babe, mine looks like shit compared to yours.
I mean, yes. That doesn't mean mine looks good. Mine looks like shit, but
No,
yours
your
looks like
tree-
extra shit.
You have actual like forms of the trees. Look at mine's just like a blob.
You have a bush, bro. That shit looks biblical.
Say my mountains look cool. That's
Yeah.
like the one thing. I got mountains really well.
You did. I don't even think I put mountains in mine. I think it's pretty. Like, the colors you use look way more vibrant than mine. Mine looks a little more dull. But
But yours looks better like blended into each other. Like look at you see mine cuts off too like strong.
yeah, it's harsh.
Yeah.
Well, I still feel like mine's pretty harsh.
Baby, yours is great.
Thanks, babe. What do you think, baby? Who did better?
He's like, are you gonna give me some of that?
He's
fucking
just looking
prosciutto
at,
or
yeah,
whatever?
he's looking at the snacks.
All in all, that was fun though.
I had fun, although that was a very humbling experience.
I don't know what you're talking about. Yours looks great.
It doesn't look great.
It does.
Brian, look at his final
Okay.
product and then look at it.
You can't compare it to the goat.
The goat, yeah. I
Yeah,
know.
you can't compare it to him.
I do want to try a painting with oil paints.
Yeah, we should try that.
And the correct brush. Anyway. Okay, that was fun.
That
and that
was a
was
lot of
cheaper than paying for a night out of paint and sip, whatever the
Trader
fuck.
Joe's, you can get some pretty good wine for like $9.
But you also, if you go to paint and sip, you don't get a little furry friend. You don't get a little furry friend to, you know, stare at you and wish that you gave him some snacks the whole time. You would think this dog is deprived of everything, the way he acts. Max, pick your head up. Oh, he heard you.